Hey guys, on today's tutorial I'm going to teach you how to reset to factory settings right here your Chromebook. Alright, so right down here on the bottom right hand side you guys should see a picture that you guys pick there. So just click on that picture and then you guys will see your very last option. It says settings. So just click on settings. Once you are in settings, the fastest way to get to here is just click up here and then click on advanced, which is right here. Scroll down a little bit and all the way down you guys will see reset. So right here is reset. Let's just click there and you should see two options. Okay, so this one will not delete everything and then go back to default. It's the second option. Okay, power wash. That's actually gonna reset the whole Google Chrome device and it's gonna go to factory settings. So let's just click right there. It's gonna tell us that. Then just click on restart. And there we go. At this point, you guys can click right here, update firmware for added security. You don't need to do that. However, we will because we have information that you probably want to delete. And then just click on power wash. Continue. Again, read the messages. It's exactly what it's telling you. It's gonna delete everything from here. All right. So at this point, it's gonna reset the whole thing. It's gonna take a little bit. It won't take that long. You guys are looking at maybe 5 minutes for the entire process. If you guys clicked on the update, this is exactly what's gonna happen. I do kind of suggest doing the update. You don't have to, but it's just better if you do. Okay guys, so at this point we are done. It's back to factory settings. As long as you guys see this, welcome. That means you're getting started all over. At this point you guys can shut it down. And just in case you guys don't know how to shut it down, it's right here. Okay, you don't need to do a hard shutdown. You guys can just click down here below where it says shut down. Let's just click there and it's gonna shut down. That's all you guys have to do. You're done with your whole process. It's all clean. None of your information is inside this Chromebook. Anyways, if you guys have any questions, comments, you can write them down here in the comments area. And don't forget to subscribe and rate. Thank you.